Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. This one right here is not having a happy Monday thus far. I've had... Okay, never mind. Take it back. We're just in Portrush now to have a little walk because we need a little fresh air, the both of us. I had to go and get some more paint. Hopefully it was the last run. And then check out one more thing. But I actually moved the installation of carpets till after the wall is down because I've been convinced by everyone in Patty's family that it's just gonna be too dusty. There's no point to get carpets laid if it's just gonna get really dusty in the end, and then there's no point of having new carpets. Obviously there is, but there'd be more maintenance in cleaning them. So we're just going to delay it another probably 2 weeks by the time everything's done. We need to get out of the car and go for a walk. Olive, can you say hi? You say hi, Zoe? Yay! Just back from Portrush. Olive is down for a nap because she didn't really nap on the walk, and we met up with Johnny and Jess and grabbed some coffee, although I had apple juice just because this past weekend I had a fever and a bit of a bug, and so everything that's been going in has been coming straight out, if you know what I mean. So my stomach's still, you know, in that tender state. Just dropped off the paint at the house for the painters. They have the front bedroom and the back bedrooms, borders and doors coated, so that's really great. I came back to so many fun deliveries. The first one I'll show you. If you're Canadian, any of my Canadian followers, then you'll know there is a jewelry brand called Blue Boho there that I bought a couple of delicate gold rings from, and they just gifted me one of their little bubble, I think it's a bubble gold ring. It's really pretty. And then this really pretty gold, and I think they're sapphire. Ooh, I'm gonna link these down below, but super cute. I love delicate jewelry, and for a Canadian brand, I just am obsessed with them. I have a couple favorite jewelry brands at the moment, so I'll talk to you about them a little bit more this week. Second fun delivery, which I'm very excited about because my stomach is so empty, is this order from Slim's Kitchen. Slim's is basically a restaurant here in Northern Ireland, and they've done like a food program or like a meal plan or whatever. Oh, please go back to bed. So they asked if I wanted to try it. So I have 6 days of lunch and dinner to try. It's all like, you know, planned out for you. Monday lunch, Monday dinner, Tuesday lunch, etc. You can have it with fish or without fish. That's totally up to you. So what do I have for Monday lunch? Monday lunch is Italian tuna and orzo salad. So tuna, which is fish, sun-dried tomato, orzo pasta, baby spinach, red onion, feta cheese, Italian lemon dressing, and toasted pine, nuts, and basil. Ooh, that's crooked. And then it tells you all your macros, your calories, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. And then Monday dinner, if I can find it, is jerk chicken, medium veg, I'm guessing like medium spiciness, and a baked sweet potato. Like, these look really good, like wholesome. I feel like sometimes meal plans aren't always satisfying, if that's a word, but these look amazing. The calories for lunch are 512 calories, which is great. Protein is 36, carbs 45, fat 18. So you can always add to your lunch if you feel like you need more meat or bread. They say like you can customize it a little bit, but yeah, I'm very excited to try that. Also, Bobby Brown sent me so many of these. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. They're the crushed liquid lip. Oh, it's like the liquid lipstick version. The crushed liquid lipstick I really love. So this is like the liquid lipstick version. It's supposed to be like an all-in-one, like a lipstick, a balm, a gloss, everything. Very excited for that. Also, Lancome sent this Valentine's edition Rose Lancome 368. I've been loving their lipsticks lately. And that's about it, I think. I did order some peach, they're very peachy orange, balloons from Amazon for Olive's birthday, and a new lens cap for my Sony is it the A6300? I think so. So that's my little lunchtime haul for you. I am so hungry, so I'm gonna have lunch now, and I'm very excited for the salad. Hey guys, it is Wednesday afternoon. I was MIA yesterday because I was so sick. I ended up having to go to the doctors, and I'm on antibiotics now, so I'm on the mend. I feel 75% better, but I really wanted to film this look for you yesterday, but I could hardly even get out of bed yesterday. So now that I'm feeling better, I filmed it today, and I really love it. It's like a monochromatic pink look, perfect for Valentine's Day, which is tomorrow, or just, you know, a pick-me-up makeup because I didn't look like this half an hour ago, let's just say. Yeah, a lot has happened. The house is like fully painted where it needs to be painted. They're just focusing on skirting boards and doors now, which is really great. Wall is coming down Saturday, which is very exciting. I am so hungry, but I'm really scared to eat because my stomach was not holding down anything, and like yesterday I had a piece of toast, that's all I ate. I'm on Ikea Light, so just to get my sugars and salts up, and it helps with the diarrhea. And you know, I have something for nausea, and then I have my antibiotics. So I feel fine. There's been no movement at all today, or even all yesterday from 10 a.m. So I feel okay, but then I would hate to ruin that by eating something. So I don't know if I should have another just like a piece of toast, or if I could dive into that turkey Asian salad, because it looks really yummy from Slim's Healthy Kitchen. So I'll show you what it looks like. It was yesterday's lunch. It was supposed to be yesterday's lunch, but I didn't have it, obviously. Asian turkey bowl. I feel like it will be okay. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Can you see me? This is it. It has lean turkey mince with pak choy, steamed brown rice, spring onions, shredded carrot with toasted sesame seeds. Looks pretty good. My stomach feels, oh, that looks really yummy actually. Oh, what do you guys think? All right, wish me luck. It was good. I didn't finish it, but I had, sorry, bubble in my throat. I had a good amount of it. It was just getting a little bit spicy for me. I normally love those kinds of things, but I didn't know how my stomach would react to it because it's quite empty at the moment. So I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time. Patty's actually taking me out for Valentine's Day today, even though it's tomorrow. He's taking me out to one of my favorite restaurants here, Amici. So I just thought, might as well take it easy, and then hopefully I can have one of my favorite dinners tonight, because Mama loves pasta. Cutie girl is up from her nap. Do you want to tell everyone how it was? Say, it was so good! I slept for so long! Do you want to show everyone how you dance? Oh, okay, or how you drink water? I don't think it's magically gonna come up for you, but I'll help you. Okay, there you go, teamwork. Love you. Oh, not done. Okay. There we go. We'll work on that independent woman, won't we, Olive? Yeah. We have Uncle Niall here, who surprised me first, but Nana's about to walk through the door. Oh, I heard the door.
What did you make?
You show Nana what you made.
Goodness, I'm so excited. What did you make? Are you going to show
You come here. You dancing?
What did you make?
Oh.
Oh, and Olive's giving a hug too. This is my life now, Justin's house. It is Thursday morning. Last night you guys saw that Niall, Patty's younger brother, surprised the entire family by coming home. He didn't tell anyone. Oh, there's Jane. And he scared me by coming in through the door here, just like Jane's doing. Hello. Hello. I'm just saying that Niall came and surprised everyone. No one knew he was flying over. So he's upstairs sleeping because he didn't get any sleep on the flight. So he's been up probably for 24 hours. But yeah, he leaves Sunday, so it was a nice little visit because he probably won't be back for a little while, who knows. And I'm getting my lashes refilled at 12, and I think we might go for a walk later in Port Stewart, so pretty chill evening. Do you want Daddy to make you one of these for your first birthday? Oh! You go get it! You go get it! I am just out from Lamont's. We just paid the deposit. No, we just paid for our countertops and installation. So they give us an email of when that's gonna happen, which is exciting. We still have to get the units of the island built up before the top on that can be done. So step by step we're getting there. It's now 1:30. I got my lashes refilled by Lisa at Coast Health and Beauty in Port Stewart. She's amazing. I have not been feeling great today, which is so annoying because I thought I would be like fully back to myself today. My doctor thought so as well, so I gave him a call and he suggested some things, and if it's not better by tonight or tomorrow, he said to come in again. So praying this goes because man, I have no energy and it sucks when you have so many things going on. So I look tired, I look awful. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna go home now. I'm actually surprised my hair doesn't look as bad as I expect it to be because it is 5th day hair, 4th day hair. It's pretty bad, but dry shampoo works miracles, I'll tell you that. It is Friday afternoon. Olive has been sleeping for 2.5 hours, which is great because she was very tired. I realized I have not shown you guys the house at all, but I also haven't really seen the house this week because I was sick for most of it. I've also realized I've been the worst vlogger this week, so I was going to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine along with just vlogging tomorrow because the wall comes down tomorrow and he's hoping to get the full wall gone with a lot of the debris, so that will be really exciting to show you guys. I'm excited to see myself just to like see how the light really opens up that kitchen because it is such a dark space if we never were to get rid of that wall. So we'll definitely open up the whole living area, so that's very exciting. Painting should be going well, should be going nicely, should be, I cannot talk. I'm gonna walk over with Olive once she's up and had her lunch. I'm gonna walk over with her so that we can have a little sneaky peek of the house, and I'll bring you guys with me. Yeah, ever since Niall came, it's just been super chill and lovely, and family time this weekend is going to be no different. I wanted to show you my rings. That's what I wanted to show you. I am a yellow gold person. This ring is from Blue Boho. The top ring on right there is Betty and Biddy, but then the two underneath are Blue Boho, and then this was a little vintage shop in Portrush that my Aunt Nancy got me when she came over, and E is engraved in it, which is super cute and special. So that's my right hand. My left hand, obviously my engagement ring. A lot of people ask about my wedding band. I had a different one, like a diamond normal band, but I thought this one was kind of cool with it, and it's from Etsy actually. This middle one is Betty and Biddy as well, and then this one is Lines and Current. It's a local brand, so that's my left hand. I actually just had a great hour of online shopping. Does anybody else fill up their bag and then exit the page? Because I just did that. I realized, should I be buying clothes or furniture? And then I realized, it should be furniture.
Through the door, through an old been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. 'Cause every night I lie in bed The brightest colors fill my head.
The whole thing, yeah. And then just stay to that same area you just did. Yeah. She's ready for the camera. You smiling? Look how pretty your mom's skin looks. She's done such a good job.
Are you getting taught how to do your makeup?
Should I not do that?
I love watching this. No, it's not. It's totally fine.
Right. So.
Wait for next week. Elanna,
What?
when Mum teaches you how to do your makeup.
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. Today, I think the builder's actually already there. You say hi? That's a new thing. Do you love vlogging? Yeah. You're the cutest person ever. Okay, oh, let's stand there. That's better. Catch your foot. There you go. So, yeah, the builder is there, and the wall is being taken down today, so I feel like we're gonna see the most change within the house. I'm headed to UFit for my workout. I'm gonna ask Tony actually if one day, either next week or the following week, I can come early and do like the circuit before everyone comes, just so that I'm not putting anyone else in the vlog. It's just me, but you can see some of the exercises that we do. I'll ask him that today. But then I'm gonna go to the house and see the progress of it. It's gonna be very exciting. Just made it to the house. And look, the wall is gone. Oh my goodness. It seems massive in here. But how much brighter, hey babe?
Oh, so much better.
It's class.
So good.
It really is.
So good.
And they took away the side bits. So
Yeah, they did it really tidily.
yeah, they did, yeah. It looks so good.
Nice.
And it's just, oh my gosh, it makes all the difference, Olive. How fun is this room gonna be? So they just have to clean up the sides, but they'll be doing that soon enough. And then we're filling in this wall, and then this one's being expanded to about here. But it just opens up this space completely into like the hallway even. It's amazing. Can't believe it. We cannot believe the progress with that wall being down. It just makes it feel like we're getting somewhere. Obviously paint really changes the atmosphere, but I feel like once that wall was like taken down, it really just gave us like this is what the house is gonna be like, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like paint only can do so much, you know?
What do you
She knows.
think?
She knows. Okay, we need to get some food because we got 2 hangry parents in here.
Where?
Just got ready for bed. As you can see, my pimple cream is on and doing its job. I was going to update you on what my nighttime skincare routine is. I've been using the same Elemis Pro Radiance Cream Cleanser to take off my makeup. And then to tone and get rid of any texture, I've been using the Pixi Glow Tonic, which is one of my favorite items ever. I've gone through like multiple bottles of these. And then the moisturizer I've been using is actually new from the past week, and I've noticed a big change in my skin texture. And it's the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce, weird name. And it's a clinically advanced miraculous anti-aging moisturizer, and my skin loves it. So I've been using that morning and night actually. And then the Miracle Cream itself, the Acnecide 5% benzoyl peroxide gel. Putting it on any little spots, and my skin's cleared up a lot. So we're just waiting for the scarring to go down. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I still can't believe that wall and the difference it's made in the house and how bright and airy it looks. So it's getting me excited for, you know, finally maybe moving in soon. But yeah, Niall is leaving early in the morning and Jane and Peter are driving him down. We have church and we're just gonna have a nice family day, the 3 of us. So yeah, I'll see you guys Monday morning.